to write some fundamental programs in C language, right? Writing, please wait a second, right? Sorry, writing some fundamental programs or code in C language. So, I would like to explain actually. I am going to be consider one problem. Calculate area and perimeter perimeter of a rectangle, right? So first of all we can understand, right? To write the program we can understand what the given problem. The given problem, please read out the problem twice or thrice. Calculate area and perimeter of a rectangle. So we also know that actually the mathematics is the mother of the all sciences and engineering. Hence, well, given that this is the rectangle, so we know that the two sides, opposite sides of the rectangle of the are equal, right? The lengthy side is highest is called length, and the lower size of the side is known as the width. So suppose we are going to be, what is the formula for the area area of rectangle is equal to, for example, this length L1, W1, L2, W2, and L1 and L2 are same. So L1 equal to L2 and W1 equal to W2. Hence, this is finally L, and this is finally W, and this is also finally L, and this is also finally W. So area is L plus W plus L plus W. That means 2Ls and the 2Ws. 2L plus 2W, right? Then 2 into, I common the 2, L plus W. So this is the uh, area of the, perimeter of the rectangle, not area, sorry, I am making perimeter, perimeter of the rectangle. What is the area? We know that area is the equation of the length into width. So L into W. Hence, what are the next we are going to be consider? What are the inputs we are going to be taking to solve this problem? That is, the inputs are length and width are the inputs, and output is the we are going to be generate actually the area and perimeter. So the process in between the length and width, what kind of the process? Suppose this is the input L and W, length and width, and what is the process is this entire thing that equal to for perimeter 2 into L plus W, and area equal to L into W. This is the process, and the result the output is the values of the area and perimeter. So to solve this problem, I am going to be take one online C compiler. Here, first of all, we also know that there are any four steps in writing any C programming. One is the declaration. So what kind of the data we are going to be used. The second one is the input. The third one is the processing, and the fourth one is the output. So don't worry about the declaration. We declare the at the final after taking the input and the processing as well as the output. Now I am going to be taking that one. Please observe carefully, right? So I open the online C compiler. We know that C program is start with the header files hash include the standard input output article stdio dot h. Next, I am going to be write void main. So void is also a data type, which represents nothing to be accepted or returned to the compiler. First of all, actually here at this point, we are going to be write the declaration. Don't worry. So the first I am going to be take the input, or after that finally I am going to write the output. Printf, uh, right? Printf, right? Enter value of length, backslash n is the escape sequence which transfer the control to the next line. So scanf, right? I'm going to be here. I'm going to consider only integer values. So percentage d, right? Ampersand. So to transfer the L, to transfer the value into the memory location whose name is L. Next printf, right? Enter value of width, backslash n. Again, I am going to be considered. This is also the input. Scanf. The scanf functions are the actual input functions. The printf is output function. But to observe the thing, the title on the screen, I am going to write this the printf statements. So the scanf, again I am going to be consider integer value, percentage d, comma, ampersand with value w. Now the input is over. Now we are going to be do the processing. Now I am going to be consider peri, that means perimeter equal to equal to, right? 2 into is represented by a star and L and plus W width. So this is over. So another one is the area ARE. I am going to be consider ARE as a variable that equal to L into W. So this crossing is over. Now I am going to be type the perimeter output. So to output function printf, right? Value of area is percentage d backslash n, comma, right? Well, no, sorry, a value of area, then rectangle area, value of rectangle area in percentage d backslash n. The value is stored in the ARE variable. So I'm going to write here and semicolon. The semicolon indicates the termination of the statement in each and every termination of each and every statement in C language. Next, I'm going to be print the right perimeter printf, right. Uh, Perimeter of rectangle is percentage d backslash n, comma. So the value stored here, we can observe that in peri, right? In peri, right? These are the variables. So why I'm going to be only percentage d means I would like to consider only the input values. So here this is the input and this is the input. So the input statement is over. These two are the processing and these two statements are the output. Now what is remaining means declaration. Now I am going to be declare here after completing the entire program. What are I am going to be use? I am going to be use, please observe that here I am going to be use L. So to L, I am going to use percentage D. W, I am going to be W, and this format specifier also be percentage D. And area format specifier, I am going to be use area, right? ARE. Area format specifier is also be percentage D. And peri variable format specifier also be percentage D. I am going to use all the integers. So percentage D is representing the integer variables. I am using the L, W, peri and area. Now I am going to be declare int L, comma W, comma peri, comma ARE. So this is the over. Now I try to be run this one. Is there any errors? Right? This will be displayed. So there is no errors. The screen, the input value length of the input is I am going to be consider length equal to 7, right? The next value of width equal to 3 actually. So the area equal to 21 centimeters or inches maybe. So now, right, the value of the area is 21. The perimeter 2 into L plus B, say, right? 7 plus L 7 plus 3. So 10, 10 into 2, 20. Okay, friends. I hope you can understand this one. Thank you.